Hello everyone. I'm just going to show briefly that if you want to research how alternators can extend the range of an electric vehicle, excuse me, just do the research on Google under IRJET. It's International Research Journal of Engineering and Technology. And just type in alternator charging system for electric motorcycles. And they tested how putting alternators, they put 4 alternators on a motorcycle, and it extended the range of the motorcycle. It shows right here. It says the blue is without regenerative system. And when they say regenerative system, that means the alternators. So without the alternators charging, if you research this, you'll see that there was less distance. And with the alternators charging, there was more distance. So I'm just showing, because a lot of people ask the question, can alternators extend the range of an electric vehicle or a scooter? And it's already been done. And so this is part of my research in building this for myself. It's something that you could research yourself just by looking up alternator charging system for electric motorcycles. So I'm just doing some testing today, and we're going to go ahead and start this up. I'm going to have the camera mounted. It's mounted on the scooter for this test because I need both hands. I'm controlling the alternator speed with this controller, which is a 9 volt to 60 volt, and I'll be using the 24 volt oh, my cat's here. Hi, Charlie. I'll be using the 24 volt. My cat wants to say hi. I'll be using the 24 volt controller for the drive motor. My cat likes to help with the scooter and work on the cars too. Okay. Okay, so I'm noticing that I'm having trouble with the metal rod that goes through all the alternators. I'm going to show you what's happening. Bring you in for a close-up here. Let's see how I do this here. Okay, so what I just noticed right now, I heard a noise, and I look back here and I can see that the bar that goes through all the alternators, it broke here. It's still turning everything, but it's, as you can see, right there, it's broke. It broke through. So that's gonna break. That's not very strong anymore. So what'll happen is these alternators are wired in series here on my bridge, on my full wave bridge rectifiers. Negative to the positive of the next one. This negative to the positive of this one. This negative to the positive of this one. So I think what I'll do is I should disconnect that last one. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to unplug this last one. Well, let me see how strong this is first. Looks like it's ready to break. Can't believe that. Well, it's still working. I think when it breaks, it'll just stop turning that last one. That's what it'll do. It's still working now. Okay, so right now, hopefully you can hear me. These 4 batteries are in series, and that's powering the 60-volt controller, which is running this motor, which is turning these alternators that are wired in series. Those alternators are charging. I have these 2 in series and these 2 in series, and then together in parallel, giving us 24 volts. And that is running the 24 volt controller, which is running this motor. .500 watts. And what I want to do is, so I'm charging these batteries and running the 500 watt motor off these batteries at the same time. These 4 batteries are running the alternators, and then when these deplete, I'll switch it around. That's what I'm planning to do. I have a lot of different tests I want to do, and I'm very interested in Rick Friedrich's circuitry on YouTube. So I'm also studying his circuits. And if I can combine his knowledge and experience with our experiments, that would be wonderful. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and keep running this and see if it, I think what it'll do is it'll just stop turning this last alternator. It's going to finish breaking. That's what I'll do for now. So let's see our voltage go up when I turn the alternators. So okay. My speed control just stopped working. And I don't know why. Let's check our voltage. Let's see why we lost power here. Positive. Negative. Okay, we're at 50 volts. Let's see what happens when I turn this on. Oh, I see what happened. Okay, this is what happened. I used JB Weld to make this sprocket fit to this because I couldn't find a large sprocket that would fit on this shaft. And what's actually happening is, I just noticed it right now, it's not the speed control. The speed control's fine. It's just free spinning. See? Okay. Okay, so that's test one. All right, everyone. That's it for today. Until next time.